to the House that the answers pertaining to 18 star questions which were not included in the business on any day till 23/12/2014 are placed on the table of the House and they shall form part of the proceedings of the House. I am also announced to the House that the ministers concerned are hereby directed to furnish the replies directly to the members as regards the remaining unstarred short notice questions. Notice is under Rule 74 and Rule 344 which were admitted and communicated to the departments for which answers have not been furnished. Statistics for the third session from 18/12/2014 to 23/12/2014. Days for which the Assembly sat 5 days. Hours for which the Assembly worked 22 hours 54 minutes. Starred questions answered orally 36. Answers to starred questions placed on the table of the House 18. Notices under Rule 344(2). Speeches made by the members 17. Statements made by the ministers 5. Bills introduced 5. Bills passed 5. Number of government resolutions adopted 3. Party position in the Assembly as on 23/12/2014. Telugu Desam Party 101, YSR Congress Party 67, Bharatiya Janata Party 4, Navodayam Party 1, Independent 1, Vacant 1, total 175. With the consent of the House, I adjourn the House sine die.